This video shows how to make a Foottroller customized to your own feet, any size. So what you need is the Foottroller insole kit, and we have also this pair of shoes. This is bought from Amazon. It's good because it's has its own insole. This we can take it out and put the Foottroller insole inside in its place, and it's loose, it's easy to wear, and it's make the Foottroller function well in such kind of shoes. It cannot be too tight. So this can be bought from Amazon. So the Foottroller insole kit, we have this controller which connects to your PC or other device with Bluetooth, and it's powered by a mini USB cable, so we don't need it for now. Let's leave it here. And also we have a sensor piece. It's a sensor and its controllers. This one is for the right foot with the logo. So it's for the right foot. This one is for the left foot without the logo. So there's a difference. You can see. So let's put here for the left foot. And also we have this insole foam, which we need to put the sensor pieces in and replace this original insoles of the shoe. Okay. So first, for the left foot, what we do is we need to cut this piece to fit the left foot, so you can use the right foot insole to make the cut. It's easier to do it. For this, we use this marker to do it. This marker. Yep, got the shape of it. So this is for the left foot, and this is the downside. This is upside. So we mark the downside. It's cut. Remember, this is for the left foot. Let's try put it inside of this. See if it fits. Yep, it works. And we need to fit the sensor to cut some openings to fit the sensor in. It's for left foot, so we mark it from the back side. So this sensor piece has an error. Here. This arrow should facing forward, so we put it like this, and position is align the foot direction, the arrow, and pointing forward, and we mark this piece for carved opening from the bottom side of this insole, so it won't show it. And for this, since it's for the heel part, we need to put this at the heel part. So we mark its location where the opening should be cut. First, okay, this piece is for the front part. It should be under the ball of your foot when you wear the shoe. So we need to find the correct position. You can measure. This position is important. It cannot be too forward or too backward. It needs to be underneath your ball of the foot. Okay. Yeah, this place you should need to measure it so it fits your own foot. Now with this marks, we can cut the openings with a scissor. Now we have this insole for left foot ready, prepared. So we now can put the sensor pieces in. We start from the bottom side. So this put the middle part in first. So it's arrow facing the top side, facing up, and put it in. The arrow facing forward. I put in heel sensors. So this is the sensor has the upside and downside. Upside you can press, downside. So we use the upside facing to the top. And then for the front part, so it's the same. There's a top side facing the downward, facing so it's like an upside. It's always like this. So you can press it here. Press here, and the sensor facing up, the arrow facing up and pointing forward. And we can secure it. Okay. Yeah, for this middle part, we have another tip too. Further secure it with this piece. Now the left foot insole is ready, so we can put this in, slide it in the shoe. Put it here, and we have stick piece here, so we can just stick it here. And the left foot is ready. Then we do the same thing for the right foot. Again, we use the left foot insole to mark it. And try and cut openings for the sensors. With this mark, so we can start cutting. It's for the right foot. Now again, when we put the sensor in from the bottom, now this insole piece for the right foot is ready. We put this, put it in. And you can stick this controller piece right here. Okay, now we have those shoes. Left foot and right foot.